Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll share with you 10 essential baby care skills that every new parent should learn. We're here to help you become a pro in no time. Let's dive in. Skill number 1, diaper changing. Properly clean and apply a fresh diaper to keep your baby comfortable and dry. Skill number 2, feeding. Whether you choose breastfeeding or bottle feeding, it's crucial to establish a routine and ensure your little one gets the nutrients they need. Skill number 3, bathing. Give your baby a gentle and safe bath to promote cleanliness and relaxation. Skill number 4, burping. After every feeding, help your baby release trapped air to prevent discomfort. Skill number 5, swaddling. Learn the art of snugly wrapping your baby in a blanket to provide warmth and a sense of security. Skill number 6, soothing. Discover techniques such as rocking, shushing, and using a pacifier to calm your fussy baby. Skill number 7, nail trimming. Trim your baby's nails carefully to avoid scratches without causing any harm. Skill number 8, sleep routine. Establish a consistent bedtime routine to create healthy sleep habits for your baby. Skill number 9, temperature check. Learn how to accurately measure your baby's temperature and respond accordingly. And finally, skill number 10, recognizing illness signs. Be aware of common symptoms that indicate your baby might not be feeling well. By mastering these 10 essential baby care skills, you'll feel more confident in taking care of your little one. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and tricks. Happy parenting!